we off to today, Jenny?
We are going to Le Grand Buffet, the Grand Buffet in Narbonne, France, which has the largest cheese selection in the world.
So we're up at 6 a.m. this morning and we're heading out now. We'll see you on the road. We have about an hour before we have to eat the Grand Buffet, so Jenny wanted to come see this local market they have. It's inside this big building.
Why not look at more food?
Yeah, let's go look at more food. I am so hungry. I am so hangry.
So I just went to one of the local cheese places here, and they have all these beautiful cheeses. And she said, oh yes, at the Grand Buffet, this is where they get a lot of the cheeses from. Beautiful fruits and vegetables. I love the way they always say where they're from. So all these are from France. Oh, the figs. I keep oohing and ahhing because I'm so hungry. All right, tick-tock, the Grand Buffet awaits.
All right. All right, Jenny, you made it.
Let's go feast.
Oh, we're going to weigh ourselves before we eat. What are you coming in at?
It keeps fluctuating. I don't even know.
All right.
Mr. Escoffier, it's the father of the French cook.
Ah,
The father of French cooking.
Right?
this looks nice.
I mean, can we take a look at that? I don't know where I'm going to start. I'm so excited. Oh, je ne veux pas.
Okay, Le Grand Buffet, you ready? Let's do it.
Ready?
He's never full.
I was waiting for my caviar, and there it is. We've got escargot over here. We got oysters. Enjoying this?
I love it. I've been feasting for like, what, 2.5, 3 hours?
Yeah, you're out of control. I'm concerned about her, folks. So slow down, dear. Doucement, as they say in France.
I'm getting so full I can't even talk. Hello, bonjour. The escargot abondant. S'il vous plaît.
So the funniest part about this whole place is this is the only part that I found with greens.
Tuile de fromage.
Whoa.
I mean, this is the biggest chocolate fountain. I'm getting the dark chocolate.
Wow. You're not getting any ice cream with that?
Oh, trust me, I'm going to be getting that. I'm going to get crêpes Suzette.
This is,
I'm going to just peruse this dessert section.
this is insane. Well, that was a great day at the Grand Buffet. We're stuffed. Jenny has lost her mind. She's outside somewhere trying to walk it off. But we had a great day.
It's rough.
She pushed it, folks. She pushed it. She
mean,
got a little bit of everything now.
It's hard to talk because I ate so much. We feasted for sure. Desserts, lobster, foie gras, the best chicken, little pigeons, desserts, cream, crepe Suzette, ice cream, wine.
Armagnac.
Oh, tubs of butter like
Cognac.
this.
I mean, it's gluttonous, folks. I feel like a Roman right now.
Yeah, let's try to keep it down and let's just, we're gonna have to walk home right now. Is it worth it? Definitely worth it. 62 euros a person.
Yeah, you can't beat that.
You can't beat that. The rooms are glorious, the presentation, the gilded decoration.
Personally, it's the
parking lot.
that gets me every
The
time.
outside's a little industrial.
I mean, that's the McDonald's over there.
It's a disguise though, because once you walk inside, it's like, whoo, it's glamorous.
Yes, well, you're glamorous. And this is the stone wall I think Jenny really wants on our house on the inside. So I think that's pretty much what we're gonna get. I really like that. It's a really nice texture, lots of different stone. This is our room we're staying at, the Romantique. So let's see what this looks like. Oh, hey, it's very nice. See how the toilette is. It's parfait, very nice. Oh, we got the jets in there. Yeah, it's a great little room. Little kitchenette and a beautiful little bed for the romantiques.
While Noah and our friends are taking a little siesta, I decided to come out for a walk because you have to digest. I can't digest by sleeping. And why not see a little bit of Narbonne while we're here? I'm about to go into this beautiful church right now. Okay, so what I thought was a church right over here actually is the Hotel de Ville. That's their town hall. Now, we don't get town halls like that in America, so I wasn't quite used to it.
Well, it wouldn't be a day in France if there weren't protests. They're protesting Macron, it sounded like. There's the lady of the day right there. Genet. Look at the beautiful canal. That water looks so clear, too. It's a beautiful town, this Narbonne.
We're going into the old town of Narbonne.
Ah, here's the main square. Must be the original flooring down there.
That's their town hall.
Yeah, that's nice, huh?
And this is an ancient Roman road.
Ah, see, I thought it was something.
Walking on history.
You're like an ancient Roman down there.
Yeah, you don't know who walked on this before. Psh, the good luck this is giving me. Ooh, I'm in heaven now because I just found a big outdoor market.
Looks like it goes up and down the river, too. I'll have to check both sides.
I want to see some food, some more cheese. And yes, I'm still talking about food.
Lots of meal.
Honey.
Oui. Confiture over there.
Oh, good price for the melons. 3 euros for 2. It's actually a really good price. Fresh eggs.
Oh, you know I love my cookies. Ooh la la.
Oh, look at this cheese. Mmm. Oh my goodness.
That looks good. That looks real good. Look at the little guy sucking on the finger right there. What do you think, Jenny?
I would love to have a goat farm.
Wow, that's some great stuff.
That's a great price on the walnuts.
Hope you enjoyed the video. A bientôt.